How much weight did I lose day 11? Ano? Sige, no. It's my eating window time. It's 12:30. So now just bear with me because probably itong holiday until no,
Till January 1.
maybe till January 1 I will not lose weight, but I will try to minimize the weight gain. So I'll still continue doing the things that I've been doing. So for my first meal of the day, my first meal of the day, of course, my Americano coffee is still there. Palabok and 2 toasted bread. Yan yung leftover from Noche Buena namin kagabi. So apart from that, maybe later I'll have that one for lunch. Ham for snack. And let's see. Okay, so let's eat. So right now, rest day muna tayo. I didn't go for biking. Hindi ako nag-bike today kasi I feel like kailangan ko muna ipahinga yung mga legs ko. Medyo sore na siya. So right now, what I'm going to share to you is how much that I really spent for me to start this fitness hobby, which is cycling. So bike check muna tayo. This is Java J-Air Fuoco. This is full carbon frame. Carbon handlebar, aero handlebar, carbon seat post, and carbon din yung mga wheel set niya. So with Michelin tires, ayan. Saddle niya is physique na din siya. So that's stock, that's included there. So ang group set niya is Shimano 105 R7000. Yan yung rear derailleur at saka front derailleur is 105. Hindi lang kasama yung crank. Crank is Deca something. Hindi ko alam yung size pero 71 yata yung size na yung Deca na yan. I don't know if it's advisable ba na palitan siya ng 65. I'm not sure. Someone told me. Tapos ito binili ko to. That's separate. This is Look clipless pedal. Look clipless pedal. So ayun. Ayan na ang pagkakaalam ko. Yan na ang bike check natin. Java Fuoco J-Air. Nagasgas na nga siya ng konti. Ayan may gasgas na siya. So full yan, full carbon siya. Everything is carbon except the crank. Yung crank medyo mabigat daw yan. So ang weight niya is 8.6 kg. 8.6 kg ang weight niya. Siguro pag pinalitan natin yung crankset niya, baka gumaan-gaan pa siya. So that's it for our bike check. Here's the equipment or the accessories that I purchased apart from the road bike. So I bought a bike computer. It's Magin C406 Pro. I bought it for 290 dirhams. So together with that bike computer, I also bought Magin S314, which is the cadence and speed sensor So dalawa binili ko niyan, so 80 each, so 160 dirhams. So I also bought this GUB bike computer mount, which is 50 dirhams. This is the inner tube. They gave it to me as a complimentary, so shout out to Upton Bike Shop, especially to Carl. Yan, binigyan niya tayo ng libreng inner tube. I also bought this PMT helmet. This is 250. I also bought this bike shoes. So naka-sale siya, so nakuha ko lang siya ng 143 dirhams. Tapos, together with that, I bought a clipless pedal with clipless pedal that include the cleats. So, yung clipless pedal natin brand is Look Kio Classic. I bought it for 329 dirhams. So, sa pedal na yun, kasama na yung cleats na yan. Kasi pag bumili ka ng bike shoes, hindi pa kasama yan. Okay. So apart from that, bumili din ako ng cycling shorts or bib shorts. Yung ginagamit ko na parang na cycling shorts. So I bought two. One is I bought it for 95. Naka-sale siya, so I bought it for 95. And the other one is 130. So I bought two shorts, and I also bought one tight, yung mahaba parang legging style na bib. That's 150 also. Also, I did basic bike fitting for 150 dirhams. So ayun, so far yan yung mga nagastos ko just to start this hobby, which is the cycling. So now the total price of the accessories and the clothing is 1,747 dirhams, and in peso 26,205. So now let's talk about the bike. The bike cost 4,999 or 5,000 dirhams. So I'm paying it installment for 1,200 plus for 4 months with 0% interest. So the initial payment is 1,200 plus, so let's say 1,200 plus the 1,747, so all in all is 2,947 dirhams, or 44,205 in Philippine peso. Medyo parang mahal siya sa mga nakararami, including me. Medyo namamahalan ako, pero ang kapalit naman yan is my health. So masasayang lang siya if I'm not going to maximize this hobby. So I'll make sure na i-maximize ko siya, then I get fit, because 44,205 is no joke. It's a big money for me. So yan lang, and let's see what will happen tomorrow. So, moment of truth. Let's see how much I lose or gain after eating all those Christmas food and without biking. So, let's see. Wow, I'm surprised. I managed to lose 0.2 kg. So from 1 to 1.3, now down to 1 to 1.1. So without biking and sa lahat ng kinain ko kagabi. So I'm surprised na nag-loss tayo ng 0.2. So tomorrow is another day. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Until my next video, bye!